Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got ball reviews. We're back, and we're back with a big one. We got the Storm Alpha Crux, but we also have a new challenger, not a challenger. We got a new partner in crime for the ball reviews. We have Lance here. A lot of you guys talk about how professional bowlers aren't relatable whatsoever, so why would I get this ball if they make it look like this? How's it gonna do it for me? Well, I brought this guy. He's about as relatable as it gets, except for how he acts on the lanes.
And we're live.
Let's go. Come on.
Here we go.
Social media, phone boy. Yeah, let's go. Welcome to the ball reviews, and you're here for a big one. We got
we a big one.
Remake Alpha Crux. Sorry, it's taking way too long for us to get into it, so I'm gonna throw a shot. Let's go.
Ooh.
No.
Oh wow. But real champ make it in the first one.
No.
I like this ball so far.
It was pretty good in league. Yeah, I don't know when this video is coming out in relation to us throwing it in league, but I'm gonna throw it a little bit. You give your commentary.
Okay, I had good series on it.
And then I'll throw it a little, and then you'll throw it a little bit.
Okay.
I'll give my commentary.
Okay.
Basically, it's not the exact same as the original Alpha, and Lance kind of messed up the lanes. He was bowling two-handed for a little bit, which, by the way, it's starting to look kind of fresh, kind of nice. Maybe he'll throw some shots in the video.
Oh wow. That was smooth.
My layout is a 5 by, nope. It's 4 by 4 by 4. Yours is?
I don't know.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Awesome,
Thank you.
Yes.
Lance's is pinned down. I don't remember. I think 4.5 by 5
down, strikes up.
I gotta figure this out so you guys know how it's laid out.
Yeah, you do. You gotta figure out.
See if he remembers how to throw it one-handed. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that, new ball carry.
New ball carry, love it.
What were you averaging after 2 games in league?
With this ball, around a 2, what you said,
almost 240.
240.
You were 210 for the night, but you had almost 480 the first 2 games.
I felt really good when the lanes were like a little fresh, but we always dry on blowing them when they're like a little burnt out.
Yeah, when do you think you should throw this ball?
When they're a little fresh?
A little fresh, I agree.
fresh.
I think it's a little more continuous than a lot of our other bigger bowling balls, like Equinox Solid, Ion, Max. And Lance is going to be comparing it to his Equinox Solid. I will compare it to the original.
Smooth. Yeah. So when did the first one come out?
Thank you. 2016, so it's been 10 years.
Okay.
The 10-year anniversary of the Alpha Crux. It's back, AI form.
AI.
Also, if you are enjoying the threads that Lance is wearing, or myself, EFX.co, coupon code DATA for 10% off at checkout. Drum roll, please.
Oh.
Terrible shot.
Gotta go to Brooklyn sometime. Yonkers.
This is his first time on the ball video. He's a little nervous, so he doesn't throw the best shots.
I'm not consistent with my shots, but I'm working on consistency.
He's known for the vibes. So I think these are some of the best colors a bowling ball can have. Purple,
like,
blue, black.
The thing I like about the ball is when you can see the rotation and when it's like over and stuff like that.
I like it when my ball spins so fast that I can't tell, so I like dark bowling balls because you can't see it at all. We are bowling on the Gold Coast house shot, I believe. Not the hardest thing in the world.
Wow, you're so consistent.
You can throw this thing across the entire lane. That's why I love the original. This one's not quite the same. I think it's a little early out of the box. I think it needs some oil in it before it gets to the continuous part, but fresh out of the box, super forward. But once you get some oil in it, hit it with some more surface, more oil, more surface.
All right, let me get it lined up.
This ball gets better with age.
Age.
With wear.
It's like wine.
With play. Like, it doesn't just sit in the box and get better. You got to throw it a little bit. Yeah. Oh, we got a good one here.
Okay.
No.
So I should have stayed in that same spot, but now I got to more.
You gotta move a little bit. We'll keep going until Lance hits the pocket and strikes, and then we'll start comparing it to what we bought.
I gotta get a little more lane wear on my
some here.
My bowling ball.
What's your favorite ball so far? Out of all the ones that you've gotten, all the ones that have been drilled for you?
I mean, the new ones ever since I got like a new ball, it seems like the next one is always my favorite one. But right now,
so it's this one.
I would say right now, yes, it's actually this one because I feel like it's really consistent.
All right, so you have 2 300s, right?
No, only one.
Okay, you got the one nuclear cell.
Yeah, nuclear cell.
You were close with this one though, right?
Oh yeah. I had just one frame.
Maybe the front 10?
Yeah.
280 zone?
Yeah.
It might happen with the Alpha.
Messed up there.
It's all right. He got a little nervous. It happens to the best of us. No.
Ooh.
That was a little handsy. It's all right. But yeah, I did enjoy how continuous this ball is for how big it is, relatively speaking. It's not always going to be continuous, it's always situational. But right now it's continuing pretty good.
And I feel like the Equinox, when I first got it, I love that ball. I feel like that was my first ball I always started with. And then when I went into like the second and third game of the league, because we bowled 4 games, I felt like I transitioned to the Gremlin and I went to the Phase 8i.
Which, by the way, you're going to be giving away all your bowling balls, right?
That's correct, that's correct.
So Lance is going to be joining us on all of the ball reviews moving forward.
Oh,
given he has enough time to do them with me because he's a busy guy. So he'll be getting all the new bowling balls. So he's going to be donating his bowling balls to you.
There it is.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Where's it?
He's also not used to
the angle
doing these ball videos, so he's going to be walking in front of the shots pretty often.
That was a good one.
But here we go. All right, so Alpha Crux. Supposed to be the same layout, but looking at them, they look different. They're supposed to be 4x4x4 each, but I think I might measure this one off my old PAP, which I don't remember what it is, but this one's going to be a little stronger. It's got more surface, more games on it. I'm going to throw it in the same spot. The old one, the original, is not quite as early in my opinion, and it's a little rounder, but we'll see what this one does in relation to the new.
I feel like when you get in the pocket, you get in the pocket.
That one actually, for having more surface, it felt cleaner. Not the worst thing in the world.
Do you think this is better pin down and pin up?
So when I was one-handed, I liked them pinned down better. I treated them almost like urethane balls. Okay. Because it was my big ball that would hit with a lot of surface. So I made the layout weaker so it would make it smooth.
I think I never had a urethane ball, but Storm want to do it, you can. But I never had a urethane ball, really.
I don't think you need one.
Really?
You don't bowl tournaments. So
yeah. What you trying to say?
I don't think it would be. I'm saying you don't bowl tournaments.
Yeah, I don't.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you're actually being correct. Yeah, you're actually being correct. Yeah, you are. Here we go. Try to get in the same shot.
Wait, throw the Equinox. Okay, you can throw another shot. It's fine.
You know what? Since you said that, I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
Because
this is the ball. Compare once you. Yeah, so Lance has a pin down Alpha Crux and a pin up Equinox Solid. So they should play off each other quite nicely.
Now I need to skip back over.
Man, you're terrible.
I put my ball in there, or my fingers in there, and I'm like, oh my god, the grip feels different.
Oh, we changed the spin. So his alpha, he's actually throwing really
I can
good.
feel the difference in that
We
one.
went an 1/8 shorter, I think, on his span. He was having some finger issues, so we made an adjustment. But that's the only ball he has with that fit. That's another reason why he's getting new bowling balls, so I don't have to plug his old ones.
He's trying to figure out the best fit for me.
All right, another one, same spot. So, I mean, for the most part, they're gonna be pretty similar. I think the new one's just a little earlier and a little quicker when it sees friction. So if it sees it early, it's gonna be quick off it. This one rounds off it a little bit better, in my opinion. There we go. There's that early surface. I got a little softer.
You know, it's so crazy how a grip or a fit on a ball can really make or break your whole swing.
It's so important.
It's very important.
If your hand doesn't feel good in the bowling ball, you're probably not gonna throw it great.
That's correct.
So
that's what I felt.
Yeah, I'm glad to have you on these ball reviews because you bring up a lot of things that I might not be thinking about at the time.
Now with that last shot with this Equinox, I was too far left, so I'm gonna move back over.
This Equinox solid also has a lot of games on it. His alpha has 10 minutes of practice and 4 shots, or in 4 games. That's got a hook a little. Nah, not as easy as the South Point house shot.
No, it isn't. But the grip on the Alpha Crunch, I like that now. So moving forward, I think we found something.
Do you feel like that makes a huge difference?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. My middle finger was getting pinched at some point in my release, and so we changed the grip on that, and actually it hugs my finger a little better.
A little huggies?
Huggy, it's like a little snuggie for my finger.
A little loving. All right, we're going back to the new one. I'm moving 4 left.
Look nice.
Nice.
We're really far left. And I feel like this is a half shot. But I like the motion in the
ocean?
ball. I was about to say
you like the ocean of the motion?
The motion of the ocean. The Alpha Crux motion.
We live in Vegas, so we need some lotion.
I look a little like Frank Ocean. Yeah, I definitely feel a difference in my...
Yeah, Lance, throw a strike. Come on. Do it for
here we go. That's what I got. I got you one. There it is.
That's got a slight chance.
That was good. I thought that good.
Would you say new ball carry is a thing?
Yeah.
So you guys should head over to EFX.co, check out new ball carry shirts.
New ball carry.
Because if you have a new bowling ball,
you're gonna get that carry.
You're gonna get that carry. Also, you can head over to tvbowlingsupply.com, use my code DTANK5 for 5% off of your order.
And you can get some of that money back in your pocket.
Pre-order Alpha Crux, so you can be like Lance and I.
The thing is now that I'm like putting my ball in Equinox, the grip is totally different, man.
So we need the next releases to come soon.
Yes.
Okay.
And whatever that is, I don't know.
Oh, that was mad bad.
Ooh.
Mad cause bad.
It's so crazy how different the two are.
The 2 fits are, or the 2 balls?
The 2 fits. The 2 fits.
Yeah.
This is...
All right, I'm gonna give you one more chance with this ball, and if it's no good, just
no, it's gonna be good.
Alpha.
It's gonna be good.
You're just an alpha daddy.
It's gonna be a good one right here.
It's gonna be a good one, he said.
It's gonna be a good one.
That's not bad. That's gotta go a little. Look at Lance walking in front of all the cameras. Walked in front of that one. Walked in front of that one. They can't see your ball. And honestly, you were probably in perfect line with this one. They literally couldn't see the ball go down the lane.
Let me give you one more.
I'll
give you one more. Let me give you one more.
No, go back to the other one. Let's do it right. Let's go back to the new ball.
Let's go back to the one.
How about you run it out to the left?
Run out. Ooh.
Post it like a statue.
Post it like a statue.
Like a statue. Like we tell the kids. Post it to the pit. Wow. Wow.
Post it like a statue.
Wow. Wow.
Post it like a statue.
Wow, I think they saw it from all angles this time. Good shot. All right, I'm gonna throw one more, and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Like a nice little burrito.
Let us know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed the new Lance addition to the ball videos.
Give more,
a little more of a league bowler perspective. But this has been the brand new revived Alpha Crux from Storm Products. Thanks for watching, guys. And we will see you.
Love it.
In the next one.
You post it? Post it like a chameleon.
Yeah, yeah. Any last words?
See me rolling.
They hating.
Chameleon.
Black and yellow, black and yellow. Thanks for being on the video.
Anytime.
See you in the league.
Boom.